Well, the fun never stops, does it, kids? Okay, so according to Reuters, last night, Ben & Jerry's added to their complaint against Unilever because Unilever has fired the CEO of Ben & Jerry's, Dave Stever. So I took some notes. Okay, so Ben & Jerry's said that Unilever told them on March 3rd that they were going to fire Dave Stever because of his commitment to Ben & Jerry's social mission, not because of his performance. And Unilever has repeatedly warned personnel not to defy its efforts to, quote, silence the social mission.